Data entry is the hidden tax of the modern professional. In 2026, spending your week manually moving information from PDFs to spreadsheets isn't just inefficient, it's a failure of logic. I'm Tech Investigator, and today I'm showing you the exact architecture I used to turn a 40-hour manual workload into a 5-minute automated script. This isn't just about saving time. It's about reclaiming your intellectual bandwidth. The old way versus the agentic way. The old way of automation required rigid Python scripts and perfect API connections. If the source format changed, the script broke. But in the era of Agentic AI, we don't build tools, we build instruction sets. By using multimodal agents, we can now teach a system to see a document, understand the context of the fields, and reason through inconsistencies. As a data manager, I've seen this reduce error rates by 94%. Here is the framework. Step 1. The extraction layer. Use a vision-capable LLM to scrape unstructured data. Step 2. The validation logic. This is where your computer science background matters. We set hard gates to ensure the AI isn't hallucinating numbers. Step 3. The integration. Moving that validated data into your final database, be it Excel, SQL, or a custom Shopify backend. This is the difference between a cool demo and a professional-grade workflow. I've documented the exact technical stack and logic flow I used in a technical dossier PDF. You can download it for free in the description to start building your own automation engine. Conclusion and action. The era of the human bridge between two software systems is over. In 2026, the value is in the architect, not the typist. If you're still doing manual entry, you're working for the machine, it's time the machine worked for you. I'm the Tech Investigator, and this has been the Tech Dossier. Subscribe to automate your logic. See you in the next video.